Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So in this video I explain about CRT entry model in gold pair. So basically what this means, CRT means it is a candle range theory of a particular candle range of a price sweep is any of highs and lows. We going to look for trade setup. By this concept I will derive the 7 mechanical oriented steps of this model. So okay, let's dive into this strategy. First step is to change your time zone into New York Standard Time. So then only we mark an 8 a.m. candle of EST. For this we go click the time zone. For you it shows like an 5:30 Kolkata. Thus changed into -5 UTC -5 New York time zone. Once the time zone has to be changed, mark an 8 a.m. candle highs and lows in 1 hour time frame, and we're going to change it into that time frame into 3 minutes. And wait for the price is to sweep any of the highs and lows in 3-minute candle. If any of the highs and low has to be sweep, we look to the market structure shift in 3 minutes and look into the fair value gap and order block for our entry setup. So now let's get into the chart setup. Yeah, it is now you can see that it is an 8 a.m. candle in 1 hour time frame. Now mark this candles highs and lows and change it into 3 minutes candle. Here now you can see that this is a low and this is a high of 8 a.m. candle, and wait for market is to be swept if any of the highs and low. From here it sweeps the low of the candle range and wait for the market structure shift. You can see that here the market structure shift is happening, and once it happened you can mark any of the fair value gaps or an order block. So my suggestion, I back tested so far, that it is a very good for an in fair value gap. So we can mark the in fair value gap and we execute a trade. From here you can set up your SL below of the fair value candle, or we can extract it into this low, and we go strictly used to 1:2 risk reward ratio. Then only we can protect our profit. Like that we aim to 1:2, so it is easily achieved by this strategy. Yeah, it is an Jan 22 8 a.m. candle. I marked this highs and lows. Now we change it into time frame into 3 minutes. So yeah, this is an highs and low of the range. Now we want wait for the price to be sweep any of the highs and low. From here it sweeps here and do the market structure shift also. Now we have to wait the fair value gaps to price has to become. Here there is a 2 fair value gap. Please execute the trade at the extreme fair value gap for the better result. For this setup I have taken this fair value gap and make the trade in that particular fair value gap, and SL is to be in this low, and target is actually I said you can target this unswept high or else 1:2. My suggestion is to take 1:2 and protect your profit and exit from the trade. So this is how you trade in CRT entry strategy. So it is simple. If any of the highs and low of a 1 hour candle range is sweep, look for a market structure shift and place the trade in the fair value gaps or in order block also. From this concept the price has to be reached this order block and shoot up to 1:2 risk reward ratio. And one more thing I want to tell, that you any in the, not only this strategy, you take any of the order block means like that. If any of the order block means, wait, if you take any order block means, it should take previously any liquidity point. It should take any previous swing highs or double bottom or double top, any liquidity area, your order block must to be taken. Then only this order block is more effective. And sometimes some extra confluence of your order block, this order blocks has have an imbalance candle. For this scenario, if you see this order block have taken this previous swing high, okay, previous swing high, and here swing low, this order block is taken these two swing lows, and it also have an imbalance. So this order block is more effective. So then only it is tapped that order block and executed. Yeah, next one is Tuesday 14th January. So 8 a.m. candle, I will mark the high and low. Now change it into 3-minute time frame. It's look like this. So now we wait for the price to be sweep any of the highs and lows. From here the market is sweep, and now we look back to the market structure shift. For this low, the market structure shift is happened here, and we look for the fair value gap or a order block. From in this zone, the fair value gap is here one fair value gap, and here one fair value gap is here. From this you have lot of doubt. Sometimes the price has to taken does not go to the extreme fair value gap. It moves only in the previous or recent fair value gap. For this scenario, I tried this entry setup, like I go to fifth level, I mark from highs and lows. So below the 0.5 level we seems as discount level, so I marked this discount level zones fair value gaps. For that, this fair value gaps, these two fair value gaps I marked. I put a limit order from this fair value gaps, and stop loss is this low, and also I put entry in this fair value gap also, and put my SL below itself. Why I put this? If this fair value gap is failed means the I going to execute a trade in this fair value gap. But is the main thing is to you must to know your risk management. This is important. Then only we could profitable at a longer run. For this scenario, the price has to tap this zone, and I execute this trade in 1:2 RR itself, because it is an systematic approach that will, for this strategy the 1:2 is enough. You can target up to the highs of unsweeped high. Yeah, this is an Jan 15th. I'm highs and lows. We change it into 3-minute. From here you can see that it sweep the high of the candle and make the market structure shift from here. Market structure shift here. So we look for an order block or any fair value gap. Here also you can see that there are two fair value gap is found. You can put an limit order in these two levels. So market has respected this fair value gap. So if you have put a limit order, you set your SL is here or any swing high with your risk management, and make sure that you can to target any swing low or 1:2. So it is a simple strategy. This is how this CRT entry model is worked, like this, following this setup. So I hope this video is going to be very useful. So please try to backtest it in different pairs. I backtested only in gold. It works. It gives around more than 50%. So please backtest it in Euro USD and GBP USD to refine this setup like your thought process. So thank you for watching.